it's just look like Deadpool 3 will be one of the greatest movie of all time. But the main question is that after the end of the trailer, we have seen Deadpool and Wolverine jumping towards the portal. But the question is that who opened the portal and where they are going is the biggest mystery after the trailer. Because if we talk about this movie, it is based on the concept of multiverse, where anything can happen irrespective of space and time. And to be very fair, this movie is not about just Deadpool but also Wolverine. That is why we have the new title. But if we talk about some hidden details and theories, you have already watched that videos. But some new theories suggest that what actually happened beyond that portal, which will create curiosity for Marvel fans. But let's first talk about some disappointment. Because if we talk about Marvel Studios trailer, they are edited very precisely. For example, if you have seen the trailer of Spider-Man No Way Home, then we have noticed that Lizard getting his face kicked, but nobody was present. Then it has been clearly assumed that Marvel has removed Andrew and Tobey Spider-Man in order to maintain the secrecy and hype for the film. But if we talk about some weird details, then Marvel have added something on purpose. Like if we talk about the events of Avengers Infinity War, where we have seen the trailer, then we can see Hulk in Wakanda. But in reality, Hulk was there in Avengers Infinity War fighting Thanos. But during the last scene of the movie, we have seen Dr. Bruce Banner in Hulkbuster armor, not in Angry Hulk. So one theory clearly suggests that this can be possible, that the portal doesn't exist in that movie. It has purposely created in order to create hype among Marvel fans so that they can talk about it and make some theories for the rest of the remaining 3 months. Now let's talk about the other side. What if portal was created actually and it was there in the movie? Then who opened the portal is the biggest question. Because if we talk about some characters who are capable of opening this portal, then they are Ancient One, Doctor Strange, Wong, and even Ned. But this trailer doesn't even show them. Maybe they were removed from the CGI, but this can be possible. Now let's talk about Ancient One. Currently in Marvel Cinematic Universe, she is not there, but can be possible her variant is there in the void and she helped Deadpool and Wolverine in order to cross the void and to reach TVA headquarters. This theory can be possibly true because Deadpool and Wolverine are all alone in the void and Cassandra Nova is controlling different types of mutants which we have seen in X-Men First Class film, and currently they need help or they need some time to take rest. That is why someone helped them in order to escape from the place. Now let's talk about option number 2, who is Doctor Strange. If we talk about Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, then he was the one major cause of incursion. Because if we remember that scene of Illuminati, then Mr. Fantastic already told him that the more he will stay in that universe, the chances of incursion will be greater. But the main question is that how this version of Doctor Strange end up in void? Because according to the plot of the next Doctor Strange 3 movie, he should be in Dark Dimension. So currently that can be possible that another variant of Doctor Strange who is in void like Ancient One may try to help Deadpool and Wolverine. Now let's talk about our last 2 characters who are present in current Marvel Cinematic Universe. Like if we talk about Wong, then he should have the power to open that portal, but he doesn't know about Deadpool and Wolverine. Similarly, if we talk about Ned, he too can open this by mistake. But in order to open the portal, one must have a clarity in mind that where he wants to go. So currently, if Ned and Wong doesn't know about Deadpool and Wolverine, then how come they will help them? Last but not the least, some more weird theories are around the corner. Like currently in the trailer, we have seen Deadpool and Wolverine in the void, and it is that place beyond space and time where plenty of things can be found. Similarly, Deadpool somehow found that magical ring which can open the portal. But one thing is very important. In order to use this ring, Deadpool should believe in magic, and this can be possible that he has believed that and somehow opened the portal and tried to escape that place. And currently, now let's talk about some weird details. Where are they going? So the place number 1 suggests that they are going to meet God Loki, or we can say that God of Time, in order to warn him multiversal threat, or Deadpool wants some personal help from the Loki. As we have seen at the end of the Loki TV series, Loki has ability in order to save each and every timeline and give them the gift of free will. So currently, if Deadpool universe is in danger, then TVA is not helping him around maybe. And the last option for Deadpool is to meet the God of Stories Loki, who can change the reality will. And currently, as we all know, Deadpool knows how to break the fourth wall. He can talk about Marvel, DC as well knows all about this inside stories. So Deadpool clearly knows who is beyond space and time, who has the actual power to change his reality. So Deadpool may try to meet God Loki in order to save his timeline. Next theory is quite weird, and that too can be possible. We all know that at the end of the Avengers Endgame, Doctor Strange opened several portals, and we can see each and every superhero who are joined the team of Avengers in order to take Thanos down. But what if Doctor Strange unknowingly opened the portal of Void, and where we can see Deadpool and Wolverine jumped right at the battle of Avengers Endgame and saved everyone, or we can say helped Doctor Strange and Wong fighting the Mad Titan Thanos. This can be weird theory, but this possibility can still exist in current Marvel Cinematic Universe, because if we talk about Avengers Endgame final battle, there were a group of very large superhero, and currently this concept of multiverse works beyond space and time, then this possibility still exists. Now let's talk about some last and the most weirdest possibility which can happen in this movie and can lead to Avengers 5. Deadpool and Wolverine jump directly into future where Avengers Secret Wars things are going to happen, or we can say Battle World has been created and incursion already occurred. This will create a direct plot line to Avengers 5 movie and may also reveal the title of that particular film, because if we all know that Avengers 5 was Kang Dynasty, but Marvel has removed Kang because of the Jonathan Majors issue, and currently Marvel is planning to make Avengers in altogether new format. So Deadpool and Wolverine may end up in Secret Wars final battle, or we can say that something weird will happen at the end of the movie which will create a direct and strong hype for the next Avengers film. Because if we talk about Deadpool 3, or we can say Wolverine, then this is the only film which is releasing by Marvel Studios in the 2024, and currently Marvel has very high hopes from it, and definitely it will break many records. Currently we have seen many cameos of mutants in this trailer, but the main question is that when we will get to see MCU character in this movie. First of all, where is Owen Wilson Mobius and Hunter B-15? Along with that, at the end of the Loki TV show, we have seen Ramona Renslayer in Void itself. So all those things are need to be answered in the upcoming Deadpool and Wolverine movie. And if we talk about Cassandra Nova, who is evil twin of Professor Charles Xavier, then we can see that she knows not only telekinesis but also she has the power of telepathy and many other things. That's how she may have the control over all the mutants who are currently working under her. And it has been revealed that there will be a time in that film where we can see Cassandra Nova using Magneto's helmet. Does that mean Professor Charles Xavier of that universe is still alive and made his way in order to save Deadpool and Wolverine from Cassandra, or he is just a variant from different universe which has been called by Deadpool?